What if everything you built for years collapsed in one moment? What if, at 32, you had to start again? No savings, no job, no confidence. Just one tired man and a choice. Give up or begin again. This is the story of Daniel, a man who lost everything and still found a way to rise.
Welcome to my channel Motivational Story.
Office scenes, job termination letter, walking home in rain. Daniel had plans, stable job, apartment, a future he believed was secure. But life sometimes breaks the floor beneath your feet. In a single month, he lost his job, his partner left, rent was overdue. He was 32. Not young enough to feel free, not old enough to stop dreaming, but tired enough to quit. He spent nights staring at the ceiling, questioning everything. Was all that effort useless? Is life really this unfair? The world moved forward. He felt left behind. Morning light, through window, mirror scene. One morning, after a long night of hopeless thoughts, he looked at himself in the mirror. Really looked. Unshaven. Dark circles. A face that once dreamed big, now broken. And then it hit him. No one is coming to save me. If I don't move, my story ends here. He took a notebook, wrote one sentence. Start small, but start. And for the first time in months, he felt a spark. Montage of small steps, job searching, learning new skills. He didn't try to rebuild life overnight. He began with skills he had ignored: writing, design, communication. He watched tutorials, learned late nights, applied to gigs no one else wanted. $50 for a small project, $70 for another. Not much, but proof that he wasn't useless. Days became weeks. Rejections came more than opportunities, but he kept going. Because this time, he wasn't working for a company. He was rebuilding himself. Clips of him improving, clients smiling, laptop success. Then, one client loved his work, recommended him to another and another. Small steps turned to momentum. He upgraded his old laptop, rented a better room, started waking up with purpose. He wasn't rich, but he was alive again, creating, learning, growing. Today, Daniel is not the man he used to be. He's better. Not because life got easier, but because he chose to fight back. If you're 25, 32, 40, even 60, and life brought you to zero, remember this: zero is still a starting point. Sometimes losing everything is how you find yourself. Your new story starts when you decide, not when life becomes easy, but when you become stronger.